If you are looking for trends, ideas, tips, and tricks, watch this video to find out.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are new to the channel, we have many design inspirations for you. Subscribe to join the design family.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Have you ever wondered what is the right TV size for your room? We have developed the ultimate designer's toolkit. The only thing you need to do is grab yourself a free copy on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
Perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If this video was useful, give it a like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.